So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can make your Instagram account completely private. And for that purpose, you first of all have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. So after opening App Store or Play Store, go to the search button and search here Instagram and hit the search button. And when this Instagram app appears up, you gotta tap on that, and you have to first of all update your Instagram app. If there is any pending update of Instagram, this method is not going to work and you will not be able to make your Instagram account private. So after updating Instagram, you have to first of all open the Instagram app, and the next thing you have to do is you have to tap on this profile button available in the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on profile, and the next step you have to do, you have to hop into these three horizontal lines available in the top right corner of the screen. And the very first option leading all of this list is settings and privacy. So for making your account private, you have to tap on settings and privacy. And when you have the updated version of Instagram app, your interface will be like this one. And when this interface appears up, you have to scroll in this list and scroll more. And here you get an option who can see your content, and under this option you get the option account privacy. So tap on account privacy and you will find a button here on this page. You have to just tap on this button for turning it on, but you may face this problem while turning this button on. So first let's sort out this problem. So tap on OK and go back, and here you have to scroll up again, and here under this option, which is for professionals, you get the option creator tools and controls. So you have to go to creator tools and controls, and here the fourth last option in this list is switch account type. So tap on switch account type for making your Instagram account private. And from these two options, you have to select switch to personal account. You can read all of these details and just confirm switch to personal account. Now when you are done with this step, next you have to again go to the account privacy option. And now you have to again tap on this button for turning it on. And next tap on this button appearing in the bottom of the screen, switch to private. And now your account has been converted to the private account. Let me show you the proof. If I open one of my other Instagram accounts and search that account from here you can see the indication this account is private and all of the contents of this account is hidden. And now if you want to turn your account again to public, you have to again go to your profile, tap on the three lines, go to settings and privacy, scroll down, go to the account privacy and just turn this button off and confirm switch to public, and your account will again be converted to the public Instagram account. So that's how you do it. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.